Hello, Kelly Ackroyd here with some of our positive news for the week. And today I'd like to talk to you about having a clear intention in the therapy process. So, having a dog in the room with you for animal assisted therapy is like having the coolest co therapist in town. Why, you ask? Because therapy dogs can show you exactly what's going on inside your kid's head without you having to directly process it with the child. So let me give you an example. This past week in a session, one of our dogs, in the session, the therapist was working on whatever it was that the therapist was working on, and the dog got bored, and the dog started wandering around the room, knocked over a box, and the therapist just went around about their business with their client. However, what if the therapist would have stopped and said, "Wow, it sure does seem like Ginger's bored today. What in the world do you think's going on with her?" And the kid would have said whatever it is the kid said. The kid would have said, "I don't know, maybe the dog thinks what you're talking about is boring." Aw. They would be projecting out whatever it is that they think is going on for them, right? So it would be a really great tool for you to be able to see, wow, the kid must be feeling kind of disengaged if they would assume that the dog was bored, right? So how can we use the dog to get the kid more engaged? There's all kinds of wonderful tidbits. I'm going to actually be sending to the therapist this really great piece by Dr. Daniel Amen about how you can use animal assisted activities with the kids to help them heal different traumas that they may be occurring in their brain. So, but we can use the dogs to help the kids heal themselves. But that takes a very, very clear intention. So I'm going to challenge all of you. When you know that you're going to be using therapy dogs in your sessions, have an intention for every session for an interaction that the only the dog can do for you in that session with the kid. Whether it's having the kid teach the dog a new trick, or have the kid be able to sit with their hand on their heart and their hand on the dog's chest and to match their breathing to the dog's breathing, or to have them read a story to the dog, or whatever it may be. If you're stuck with ideas, come to me. That's what I'm here for. And I'd love it if you would share your ideas and the things that you try out in the comments below. So thanks so much, and let me know how it goes, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week.